What is up guys, Dan at the sites. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the bank account linking problem in PayPal. So first, you need to head over to your PayPal's website and then log in with your PayPal account. After that, when you are redirected to the home page on the right side, you can see this help section. Click on this help section, and after that, when the PayPal's help section opens, you just simply need to click on my account, or you just simply need to type link here in the help center search bar, and then you need to go to this why can't I link card to my PayPal account. So you will see a same question like why can't I link my bank account to my PayPal. Click on this, and after clicking on this here, you will see the article helping you out, that why can't you link a bank account to your PayPal account. You can just simply read it, and then you can follow the steps as it says, and after that you just need to enter your updated bank account details with PayPal so you can connect your bank account with PayPal. So this will solve the problem. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.